Hi, this is Mangalnath here again. Today I would like to show you inside my house. The first video which I did, you saw what was outside and how it looked from outside. Now let us go inside and see what we have done. The antique look remains from outside. Inside I have tried to do a little more different in design. So I will show you what is the house looking like. I have bought all these structures. What you see is cement structures, they are not wood. It is just a wooden finish. The cost of wood is very expensive. Therefore I thought, let me camouflage the whole house. It looks like a wooden house, but most of the part is not wood in that. Let me show you something closer before we go inside. Please come. This is the entrance of the house and this is the wooden door. And I have the windows with the double door and glass panes on that. This is the second window on to the left. Then we have the corridor portion. This is the corridor portion what we have, which I just showed you with all the pillars from within. This is the Tulsi plant. I will do some detail on that. And what you see over there is a small fish pond. I will do another video on the fish pond. This is how the corridor looks like. This is one corner where I have Varli painting done into that. Now this is the veranda of my house. This is the background green screen what I have. Now let's come to these pillars. I have got 6 pillars of this kind for my house. Now what I have done is, since wood is expensive, I have got all these pillars done out of concrete. And this extra structure is also done with concrete. And as you go up, you see these pieces. This is called bodige. This is done out of wood. I have got this from some old antique wood place. I have collected a lot of wood. When I go inside the house, I'll show you some of the wooden structures like this, which has glorified the whole house. So the entire pillar looks like it is a wooden one, but it is 3/4 of the pillar is cement and the top portion is wood. So this pillar is my lovely pillar. Welcome to my house. A very warm welcome. Please come in. This is the open kitchen what you see, and here is my aquarium which goes into the pillar. These are some old antique furnitures. This is wooden piece, and this is what I was talking about. I again got this from the junkyard. I bought and polished it, and this is how it looks like. This is the open kitchen what I have, and an exit door on the side. This is again a piece of old furniture which I got it done. It was broken into pieces, and it is a folding chair. This is how the hall looks like with the ceiling lights. Side lights. Let's start walking upwards. There is one bedroom here, and this is my aquarium as I showed you earlier. Right behind the aquarium there is a space, and you have a wash basin and the mirror. Now coming to the bedroom, there is one double cot bed here. attached bathroom. This is how it looks like. The window has got a mesh just to avoid the insects coming, but at the same time you can experience the coolness and the weather from outside. The same thing is done even in the second window. There's a mesh cover to avoid insects, plus you have the sliding doors. This is the wardrobe. Let's move on. We enter the room here. This is the master bedroom on top. We have one double bed, and we have windows to see the natural serene outside. There's another window here from which you can see the compound. The bed, cupboards on the side, and the false ceiling. The false ceiling again looks like wood, but it is not wood. It is an old antique look given to the ceiling. So here we go out. There's an attached bath as you exit, and there's a place to go out to the balcony. This is how the view looks from the balcony. Whole lot of greenery, the paddy field adjacent, well, water tank, fish pond, the neighbor's house. Here is my piece of land. What you can see, it's very hot outside, very arid, and you can see the small plants coming out, growing. I will show the details sometime later. I'll make another video. This is the drum which I have, which has got manure. What I've done, I have been doing organic manure, that is vermicompost. This is my second project. I will post video on this as well. This is the fully finished product. Okay, so this is my house. I hope you like the house. I will be posting another video on my second project of vermicompost. Hope to see you soon. Thank you and bye.